shoot the shells.
That fucking 44 you got, it's got like a hair trigger. I went up there to shoot it. I wasn't even ready. I just barely touched the trigger.
Oh, good thing you weren't pointing it.
I mean, I was pointing, but.
Okay, here, watch this. Come here. I don't know if it's just me or.
I like that gun.
Let's see. Here, don't drop to see the shell. Don't go in there. Maybe oh, maybe. Oh, okay. You gotta hit the red.
Yeah, that.
Okay, I just happened to do that by accident.
Good luck on your shoulder.
Okay, let's go shoot the turkey.
Bye-bye, turkey.
It's enough of those. Shoot fire champ though. You gonna get one?
Yeah.
The Steyr or this first?
I'll get rid of that. I like that.